Introducing the Star Wars Special Edition Notebook by HP, a digital powerhouse customized and preloaded with a rare collection of generation-spanning Star Wars content, all instantly accessible via our Command Center. This video describes the operation of the Star Wars Command Center in browsing the collection and using it to customize the notebook, starting with the desktop itself. At startup, the user comes face-to-face with Kylo Ren, the villain from Star Wars: The Force Awakens. On the left, Star Wars-themed desktop icons open the door to a vast universe of rich Star Wars content. In line with the Star Wars theme, the Windows recycle bin has been replaced with the Death Star, which when full shows in its complete state. When the bin is emptied, the Death Star is reduced to Death Star 2. Now it's time to experience the power of the Star Wars Command Center, which is the portal into our collection of rare Star Wars content, drawn from the Lucasfilm archives. Clicking this icon launches the Command Center. Its interface is inspired by the Death Star and Super Star Destroyer and modeled after elements seen in movie footage. This dashboard organizes, presents, browses, and manages over 1,100 images preloaded on this PC. And it has two sections, Themes and Galleries. Themes are selectable sets of Windows interface attributes, and Galleries are photo collections. Let's first dive deeper on Themes. Within the Themes section, Star Wars Special Edition users can customize wallpapers, screensavers, and sound schemes, as described in the following sections. Our wallpapers are more than single images. They are customizable slideshows. After selecting a wallpaper, its available images are presented for selection. Users can then browse, select, preview, and customize the content and slide change timing of any slideshow. Be sure to click the white arrows to scroll to additional options. Slideshow's images are grouped into inspiring sets, such as Death Star storyboards, which were actually referenced around the set during filming to help the directors plan and frame their shots. Other image collections present behind-the-scenes photos and actual movie frames grouped by the planet where each adventure unfolds. Some sets focus on a particular character, such as Darth Vader. 3 Star Wars screensavers are preloaded on this notebook. They include a set of lightsaber battles, a slideshow depicting the Battle of Hoth, and a slideshow of the Star Wars Rebels TV series. Star Wars audio clips add another dimension to this media package. Imagine getting notified by R2-D2 that an email has arrived. We include 8 sets of Star Wars sounds that can be used instead of the standard Windows notification sounds. Now let's dive deeper into Galleries, the second of the 2 Command Center sections. This section contains sets of images that span Star Wars episodes and generations of fans. The images are organized into 4 categories. Behind the Scenes. In Behind the Scenes, we've included a carefully selected collection of behind-the-scenes activities, images of production designs, sets, and starship models. Collections. These include many of the same images from the wallpapers with key additions such as more character images and posters, and additional stills from the Star Wars Rebels TV series. The concept art collection contains art that was used to develop the look and feel of each film before it was made. Enjoy Ralph McQuarrie's visualizations that became reality. His beautifully painted scenes influenced and drove the designs of sets and the look of characters now recognized worldwide. Illustrated art. Here we have illustrated characters, coloring book art, comic book covers, and illustrations from Star Wars: The Force Awakens. What galactic adventure would be complete without its own special alphabet? Arabesh, the galactic-based standard language, comes loaded in the font library of the Star Wars Special Edition notebook. Choosing Arabesh in applications that support preloaded fonts, such as Notebook and Word, substitutes the familiar alphabet with out-of-this-world letters. A simple phrase can look like a genuine communique from the Imperial Senate. Click this desktop icon to preview several Star Wars ebooks. The previews here include a richly illustrated coffee table book on the making of the Return of the Jedi and offers a deep look into the minds of an amazing creative force. Users can click here to view a collection of Star Wars movie trailers that span episodes 1 through 6 of the Star Wars saga.
For over 1,000 generations, the Jedi Knights were the guardians of peace and justice in the Old Republic.
Plus a pair of trailers for Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Comic book fans can click this icon to have free online access to the first of the collection of Marvel Star Wars comic books. By purchasing this notebook, users can enjoy a free 1-year subscription to Fandor, an online movie streaming service with a hand-picked collection of the most talked-about independent films from around the world, available in the US and Canada. The normal trial period is only 2 weeks, so this is a spectacular deal. With its digital power and its wealth of content, this exclusive Star Wars Special Edition notebook delivers both stellar performance and an intergalactic experience.